Hello guys, my name is Luca and welcome to my workshop. So today I'll be doing a different kind of video. I'll be doing a restoration video. So last video, I was doing something related to fishing, but as it's raining for the last 2 days, I'm not interested in doing that. I mean, I love to go fishing, love doing lures, but making lures, not doing lures. What's wrong with me? Come on! So I'll try to do a different kind of video also. So with me, less of me talking and vlogging and more like overall video, like speed lapse of me restoring this old zip. So I found it in one of the shelves here in my dad's workshop. I don't know where my dad got it, but it's, as you can see guys, it's pretty rusty and old. It doesn't work at all. Like you see that smoke doesn't work at all. It needs to be fixed. So I'll be doing most of this by time-lapsing it. So I hope you guys gonna enjoy that kind of content and see if I have something to add about restoring or just at the end of the video. So bye guys. Damn, shit like this happens. You always need to be careful while doing this. Damn. Fuck. So guys, here it is. Done. Come on. Problem is that it didn't start that well, because I kind of have really not I don't have that much ladder fluid, like just a couple of drops, but after a couple of attempts it lights up. So yeah, like I'm satisfied how it turned out. Like it closes normally. It looks, yeah, I think that's just rope burning, but it's not burning away, so I guess some light fluid. So I'm satisfied how it closes, how it works. Everything's fine. I managed to fix it, but the only problem with it is color. It scrapes off and the texture is awful. So what I'm probably gonna do in the next few days, just to satisfy myself, is recolor it. That's all I'm gonna do. Actually, I'm gonna recolor it right now and let it dry till tomorrow. I hope it's gonna look good. So the video is finished. I mean, I did it. I restored them. It looks good. It kind of now looks like crap because I need to recolor it. But I think the mission was successful. It works. It looks good. I mean, now it definitely looks better than it did, and I'm happy with it. I mean, it's my first restoration project. I never done something like this before. So I hope you guys like the video, so feel free to subscribe, like and comment, and thanks everybody for the support in the last video, and yeah, that's it for me for today, and stay strong, guys. Goodbye.